Hey, hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Hey, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you do and you have time, watch the video to the end, and I would really appreciate it, because if you don't, if you watch just a few seconds of it and click off, that gives me a bad rating on YouTube and my channel ratings go down. So I try to do videos that will inspire you and give you some information on some new stuff and everything, and I'd appreciate it if you watch it, please. Okay, so with that said, I got something new from Amazon. It's not actually from it. Well, I ordered it from Amazon, but it's from this company called iSTEADY Pro, and it's a selfie stick. But this is a special selfie stick. This is a 3-axis handheld stabilizer gimbal for action cameras. Now, you know I'm big on action cameras, and if you'll stay to the end of the video, I'm going to tell you how to get some action cameras real cheap. But anyway, this is not an open box video. I'm just going to show you this. But this is cool. This is very cool. I never thought it would be this good. It's not cheap. But look, it comes in this handy Ziploc bag. And you open it up. And boom, everything is right there that you need. Everything right there. This is the coolest thing. Let me get the video camera over here a little bit closer and I'll explain a little bit to you. So this is the coolest thing. It comes with a little tripod, you know, that you can set it on if you want to. Or you can put it on a big tripod like the one I'm using. And I'll show you that in just a minute. But this thing is so cool. And what I didn't realize when I got it is once you put your camera on here, it fits right in the case. You don't have to take it off or nothing. But this is a gimbal. This is what they call a gimbal. And I don't really know how to use it real good yet, but I'm learning. I'm going to move this out of the way. I'm learning, and I'm sure you'll learn too once you get one. I hope you get one. I'm putting links underneath the video for all this stuff that I'm showing you here, and you guys can check it out. But to turn it on, you push this red button here. Oh, and it tells you in the instructions, don't turn it on without having a camera on the gimbal, because it just don't work right if you do that. So you push the red button and you watch these lights here. And now it will start doing its thing. It is so cool. So it takes me a minute to get it adjusted. So that's it right there. Now it's adjusted. And man, this thing works really good. Watch how the camera out there follows you. It's so freaking good. And then you can manually go up and down with it if you need to go up a little bit or down a little bit. I think that button works backwards to me. Pushes up, goes up, pushes down, goes down. I guess it's okay. And then it also goes left and right. Left, right. And look at that freaking thing. That is so cool. And there's links in the description below for this, and it is an affiliate link. But that is so cool. Now it has several different things here on it. It has right here is your USB to charge the battery that's in the handle here. Or you can plug a little cord in here and go to your little camera and charge your camera if your camera starts getting low. Okay? Yeah, it comes with a few cables here and another cable. This cable goes from here to your camera to keep it charged and stuff. But I just wanted to share this with you. Man, this is so cool. I can't wait to get it out and use it. I haven't had a chance yet. So this will really help stabilize my videos and pictures. Wow. You gotta love it. Look at that camera. It stays right where it's at. Now let me see if I point it down a little bit. And it's still going to stay. It stays right there. It's crazy. I don't know how they do that. So check it out. So I told you at the end of the video I was going to tell you about these cameras. This little camera right here is a sports camera. And I got it from Amazon. And a few days ago I bought one and I put it on a video and showed you guys for 20 bucks. It was 20 bucks and some change. Well, this is important now. If you want one of these and you don't have 20 bucks, right now if you click on the link below in this video, in the description, you can find these on Amazon for $13 and some change with free shipping. So I ordered 2 more. So anyway, I hope that helps you guys out. If you can't afford a GoPro, just go ahead and go with one of these cheap ones and check it out. And hey, I appreciate you guys watching. And get you a selfie stick with a gimbal on it and an action camera and go have some fun. This is Harold signing off, baby. You guys have a good day. Talk to you later.